So now I'm going to present you how to make the data collection tool with these three: Google Form, Epicollect 5, and the Kobo Toolbox. I begin with the introduction. After that, we are going to go through some exercises to make using the three IT tools: Google Form, Epicollect 5, and the Kobo Box as a data collection tool. I just make small comparison of three tools. Google Form, it's used only the online, so it can't be used offline, but it's very easy to utilize it without knowing any program, any logic, Then, and also good news is that they're very common, so there are many tutorials you could find. And Epicollect 5, it can be used offline, so then also very easy to create a data form, and also but not one of the challenges not very common, so they're a bit rare to have the good tutorials. And another one is the Kobo Toolbox. Yes, it can be used offline, and it requires a bit of some skill to master of how to create data creation, data collection, and one of the maybe challenge is that there is no iOS application, so that if you use iOS, iPhone, you need another application, the browser. So I go one by one. This time we are using an imaginary case where we have to register some training participants. You have a name, and we have a telephone number, have a gender, male, female, and also age, and also photo of the participant, then location, and the remarks, this note. Okay? So let's begin with a Google form. You can first open the Google form. Before that, you need a Google account. So you confirm there's a Google account here. So please make sure you pick up the one of the Google. So after that, there are two ways to enter. One is Google form. Then you can find, you can find Google form. Then you can find this sign in. Then you can sign. Or other way, if you have this Google browser, Chrome, next to the account, you can have this 9 dot. So from here, if you go down, there is a Google form here. This is also another way. Okay, good. So we go into the next. So we make the blank form, click. So we have the untitled form. So now I go back to what we're going to do. So we make the name, registration of training participant. You can write like this way: registration of funds. Then you have this description. So this is the first of training number, something, just imaginary 333, something like that. Okay, you can write. Then after that, you notice that it's still untitled form. So after you put this title, you simply click on here. Then automatically this title and also file title is identical. So if you want to change you want to change a bit of the file, you can change here. But anyway, we can go ahead. Next, we have a name, telephone number. So in that case, you can say the name. Yeah. Then here, as I told you last time, there are several type of the data. This is a short answer. This is a one line. Paragraph is a multiple line, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, any lines. And see multiple choice. This is actually another called radio button. This circle is showing that only you can get only one choice. Though it says multiple choice, but it's one choice from multiple choice, one selection from multiple choice. This checkbox is that you can select as many as possible, and this is drop down. Is the lot of the list. So from the lot of the list, lot of the options from one list you can get, and also this is a file upload, and this linear scale. I think that those are the main sections you can get, and also if you are familiar with more with the Google form, you can go ahead to multiple choice grid, tick box grid. So maybe you can play around after that. Okay, let's go back to the what we have to do. First, we have to do is a name. Okay, let's go to name. Okay, here it's a name. This is just one line, so it's a short answer. Okay, next. Okay, it's required. Then this is required. It means all registration need to be filled this form. So if they required means this should be filled before submission. So next, we are going to make a telephone. Okay, this is a telephone. Add question here. Add question. Say telephone. So again, this is a line, so it's automatically changed, but this short answer. Okay, this is what required. Okay. Now you go back down. Okay. Next, what is it? Gender. So gender, I want to change now. I want to make it a choice. So I want to put gender. Okay. Then so it's a multiple choice. Yes, multiple choice. Choose. This is a multiple choice. Multiple choice means one selection from many options. So it means here male. Then Google sometimes suggests what next. So you can say here is you can put female, automatically put females here, and prefer not to say. Yeah, it's the 21st century, so you have to write some options. Prefer not to say. Or sometimes this other you can add other. Other, if you someone answer other, you can add another more specification. But this time I just leave it like this. So it's a 1, 2, 3. Yeah. So next, go to age. Okay, now it's a push. Okay, it is also required. Age. So this time, I want to go to age. This is required. Then also here, you can write description. Description is that this is a number. So you say please enter only number. Yeah. Example, if 50 years old, just write 50 like this. Okay. So this time I want to bit restrict as control the entering data. So it's a response validation. Okay. So you can validate. So this should be number, text, length. You can just control, restrict the numbers. Or say number should be between, because there's no one under 10. So if it's under 10, you have to doubt that this number is something wrong. So you say between, say that okay, let's say this is for adult education. So you can say this is 18. Between number is say 99. Yeah. So it means you can have to say that this number should be from 18 to 99. Okay. So customer say, please input the age. Yeah. So if something wrong, if they put 0, so please input the age. Okay. So this is how to restrict the number. Next is a photo. It's sometimes this photo is being made if it is connected to internet. But anyway, we can try. Recently, Google has this one. It's a file upload. So if the answer can be made through the smartphone, sometimes it allows to take a photo from here. So please with the file upload. Yeah, file will be uploaded from owner's Google Drive. So continue. Okay, so take the photo of the. Okay, then allow on. So if you can put allow the JPEG and PNG can restrict here, but just leave it like this. Maximum file size 10 megabytes. It's okay. Then this time, sometimes some iPhone, sometimes smartphone does not allow to get photo directly to the Google. So in that case, I just leave it not required. Not required. Okay. Finally, you have location. Unfortunately, Google does not have the location, but just in case, you just here is at the you can say here, just say hometown. Okay, so it's this is a place. Okay. Oh, sorry. Maybe this one is a location of the weather register. So location of registration. Okay, so this is just written. In that case, this in say okay, here is that the registration say it's at the class. Or maybe this is other. So you can put other. Basically it is at the class, but just in case outside the class or before the class, if someone can get other, so you can put something here. Okay, next the remarks. Okay, the remarks. Oh, sorry, remarks. Here is a remarks. Is a simply okay. Paragraph, so can be something like this person is sick, or this person have something left, any information. Okay, remarks here. Okay, so and also you can put some, you can put some email as message here. You can put some message. So for example, this time I want to put a message. The person who input data never forget to push submit button. Yeah, never forget submit button. So I put here text. So okay, please push submit to complete form. Yep. So this is the last. Okay. So this is all. Then also, just in case, if you want to put more colorful, this design, so I can just put here customize theme. You can choose the image here. So you can upload your photo, but this time I make it more interesting. So that's maybe I can put this beans nice. So I can put here. Then insert. Let's see. Yeah, it looks more attractive. I don't know. So okay, now I'm ready to now input. So this is a form we created. Let's see how it works. So first, how can I share this one? Okay. So first Google Form. So I try to send by email. So if you want to send email, it's easy. Okay, you come here. So this is send. So you can put email directly, or more commonly used method is to use a link. So here's the link. Push. Then here the link is too long. So I want to make it shorten here. So this is a short. Yeah. So here is a make a copy. Then you can open any email, so I can just send email. I just send myself. Yeah, please input. Okay, I just put data like this. Send. Okay, I'm sending now. Then after some time, you must get data. Yes, please the input. So this is a link. So let's see how it works. Okay, then this is a data input. Okay, so I say it's me. I just Miyoshi, and like this, and male and age, and now to the 100. Yeah, so please input the age. So I say no. Okay, oh yeah. Then this one, take photo of participants. So I can choose from here. Upload my drive. I can just choose mine. Okay, then location registration at the not classroom. So Miyoshi's room. Yeah, remarks. Hi, thanks for watching. Yeah, then submit. Okay, this is the one way. Okay, good. Then even I can change here. Okay, this is the way. Let's see another way of the sharing. So now I have my smartphone like this. Yeah. Then so how can I share with the smartphone more easily? Of course, you can open here. Let's see. I have my Google Gmail. Then here by email I can do exact same here. You can see. So this is the registration. Just again Takao or something. Yeah. Yeah. Then it's number, gender. Yeah. Age. Yeah. 52. And now take a photo of participants. Let's see how it works. So add the file. So if I put that file here, it's a browse. So here, if you browse, you can see there is a camera is come up. So I just put camera. Let's see how it works because I changed the direction here. Direction. Yeah, I take photo. Want to see? Okay, so how it works? Okay, then save it. Okay, this way, if you can use a smartphone, it's easy to get this data. And now, okay, like this and others. Apart. Okay, then no, it's okay. Then submit. Let's say submit. Okay, so this is the way. Okay, let's see another way. It's more. Sometimes you want to just have a big number of the people, so you don't know his or her email. So this time you can use a QR code. So how can I do this? So I have now back to this registration and send, and so this and shorten. So you have this is a send. You want to send this form, but this one copy. What you can do here? Open any browser, then you can use the one of the free QR code maker. So I just recommend QR Planet. This one is more free. Okay, QR Planet. So it's a planet. So just click on here. So here, you just see a copy, paste. So those actually this is the QR code. So how can I input this? So you just show this. You can download, but this time to save time, I just use this display. Okay, so left one it's my camera. Okay, my smartphone. So here I just open camera. So let's see. So now I can just show this is my room, and so okay, I found this. Yeah. So you can see, you now notice something come up. This is a reading QR code. So just click here. Then again, here you can get the same idea. Okay. So this is a QR code. Okay. QR, the telephone. Okay. Yeah. Then so it's on. Prefer not to say this time. Age at 28, and again add file. It's easy, so easy to get insert file. Okay, wait. Okay, it's a browser. Then here, same. So I can just take photo or something. Yeah. Okay, this one. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay, save. But some Android, some iPhone may not be used like this way. So in that case, you just skip. Okay. Okay, here I just save. Good. Okay. Okay. It didn't work maybe, but let me try again. Let me try again. So if not working, sometimes it works, sometimes it's not working. So just let me try again. Another way around it, maybe you take photo with and put in your computer, then we can select the face. Okay. Let's say I hope this time working. It's not time working. Maybe let's go to the next. Okay, coming now. Well done. Yeah. Well done. I say well done. Okay, then submit. I just say submit. Okay. Okay. So this is how it work. Okay. Okay. Now let's see our registration. I mean the original one. So you have the question. So after that you have the responses. Yeah. So you have the name and there are actually 3 entries. Then some entries. So you can get my picture. This. All done. Okay. And yeah. So this is how it works. Then if this is a linked sheet. And create. Then now it's ready to download and can use. Okay, so this is how Google Form works. It's easy, isn't it? Okay, now I'm going to go next section. Next section is okay. Next section is Epicollect 5. Epicollect 5 is another way of the collecting data. It's very strong in offline. Okay, first of all, let's go to here, Epicollect 5. Okay, so this is the Epicollect 5. So you can go ahead here. Then, if it is not, before logging out, okay, let me log out first. First of all, you have this form, interface. So you have to log in first time, and also you have to sign up. So okay, so I really recommend to use the sign in with Google because it's very easy to work with it. You don't need to put new passwords and so on. Okay, I just use my here. Okay, so if you not sign in, so I sign up, you can sign up. It's free. So I just use mine here. Okay, here, now I will make the exactly same of this registration training participant, name, telephone, gender, age, photo, location, remarks, blah blah blah. Okay, now I'm going to put. Sorry, I'm speaking very fast now. I notice, so I speak very slowly. Okay, now I'm going to create project here. First, this is the create project. So here name is a name it. Maybe this time the project name you need some identical name on it, because one of the issues is that you need to search that your form by particular name. So this time I put my names Miyoshi, because there's not much Miyoshi around. Miyoshi training registration test, like this. Okay, so then I think this is the registration form, which adds just test. Then here is the form name. It's appeared on the top of your form, so you just put some generic data. So registration something like that. Okay. First, you can put the this access is sorry. I just made it more bigger. Sorry. This name, project name, and small description and form name, and you can set this private. Okay. Then you can create. So after create the form, you will be asked. You want to proceed for the form builder. Yes. This form builder is kind of this Google form creation, data design, data collection design. Okay, so this is how it look like. Okay, then so this is a project Miyoshi training registration test. Okay, then so this is a registration form. Yeah, so this form name. So you can put. So first, this is a list of some possible type of the data. So text, you can do the numeric data and phone number and date, time. More, this is more like a detailed, the type of the data, but it's almost same. So then drop down list, radio. It used to be called multiple choice. Now it's radio. This is a one selection from many choices. Then checkbox is many choices from many. Yeah, and search is you have a list of some data. Data entry can be searched from that data, and text box is a kind of the more like a paragraph. Then also readme this is a kind of text, for that, and location, photo, audio, video, barcode, branch. There's so many. But now I'm just going to simple one. So let's get back to our design. We need a name. Okay, we have first name. Okay, name is a name. So just a text. You can from here drag and down like this. Okay. So here there's no question text yet. So you can put here text. So you say name. Okay, name. Okay. Then this I recommend to use answer as title. So it means title. So it's now title is this data figure is this the title of each data. You will know what it means later on. Then now so this time telephone number, is it telephone number? Yes, telephone number. So telephone number, is it? So keep it. You say so again, this is the use answer title. So together with this name and telephone number, so you can make kind of ID, this kind of ID for each data. Okay. Then next, gender. I use this radio. Okay, radio. So here, this is your gender. Okay, here you have to type it. Here, just here. To delete backspace, gender. Sorry, male, and at answer here. At answer. Female, and at answer. prefer not to say. Okay. Then this time you can put other, but unlike the Google form, if though people choose the other, you have to ask again what the other means. But this time I don't want to make it very complication. Just I don't put just 3 choices. Okay. And next, gender, age. Okay, so this number. Okay. Sorry, no, not this one. Where are we? Where are we? Yes, here. This number, numeric. Okay. Age. Okay. This time. Okay. Now next is. Okay. Now like last time. Then you can restrict the number. For example, it's an integer. This is an integer. There is no 0.1, 0.2. So minimum value is, for example, it's a 9, 10. 15. And set max value 99. So it's it can be only accepted during between those of the two. Okay, 2 numbers from between 15 to 99. Next, photo. You can take a photo here. Okay, photo. So take a photo. Okay. Then next, user what? Next is the location. So you can say location. Okay, location registration. Okay. Then here, next remark. So it's this is a text box. So this one is this remark. Marks. I think that's it. Okay. So you can this one you read me, or you can just this one is just I make it simple. Okay. So these are name, telephone number, gender, age, take number, location, registration. Yes. Then after that, don't forget to put the save project. Okay, save project. Then you can go back. Then you'll be asked, are you sure? Yes, since I am saved, it's okay. So now we are ready. So this time, now you have the private and so active. So this one is very critical, because after this, what we're going to do is that we like to share this how to data collection, data collector to get this form. Unlike that the Google form, Epicollect 5, they use the application, software smartphone application. So you need, all data collector need to install Epicollect 5 on the smartphone. I will show you how to do this. So now you have this app store. So you just is Android. You go to Play Store, in App Store, you have Store. So what you do is here, Epicollect, Epicollect 5. You can put Epicollect. So you may find this one, Epicollect 5. This one you just install. Okay. So after some time, they are going to install those stuff. Okay, it's very quick. Okay. Now, after install, okay, now it's open. So this is the whole. Actually, this is actually retrieve. I used to download, so I now just get it back to the original one. So I get back to the default of the. When you start your Epicollect 5, your interface like this. There's nothing. Only one project, EC5 demo projects. So this time, I want to now share. What we're going to do is we like to share the form with data collector. So we imagine that a data collector, he or she has installed Epicollect 5. Then after that, what we are going to do is that now access, back to see, access is now private. Please change the public, okay? Public. Okay, so public is that now this format is now publicized. So anyone who knows this name can retrieve this format, okay? So let's see how it works. So after this, you change the public. So you go to the Epicollect. So here is an art project, okay? Then search name, so this one is now put it Miyoshi, Yo, oh sorry, it's a Japanese, just change it, Shi. Okay, now you find it's the same here, right? Miyoshi training registration test, so you just click on here. So now the new form is installed, Miyoshi training registration test. Okay, so I just try to get the enter data. That's how it works. So I just click on here. So maybe you'll be surprised. Oh, there's no entry found. Don't worry. Now every starting point is here. It's at entry. Yeah. So now start at entry. So it's okay. Then you'll be asked, allow Epicollect access this device location? Yes. Okay. While using app, yes. Okay. The name, you can put name, Miyoshi. Okay. Then now next. Telephone number 080-555-5222. Don't call this. And so male, female. Okay, just this is my female. Next. So age, you can put here is 50 year. Next. Now it's a take picture. So it's since it's a smartphone, you can just simply take. Then again, allow yes, of course, while using app, yes. Then Epicollect to send you notification, yes. So here, you can just change it, any face. Okay. I don't like my face, but anyway, let's go. So, let's go to next. So now the location registration. So you just simply click on here, update location. Yeah. So now you have to check whether this accuracy. Okay, accuracy 43. It means there could be 43 meter of the boundary. It's a quite not mistake, but it's not accurate. So this time we can update. Let's see. Yes, now 14. It's okay. The 14 meters, accuracy. Okay, now it's good. Next. So here's remarks. So you can type the answer. Yes. Yes. They say anything you can just write here. Okay. Next. So now save the entry. Then again, now you need to put another registration. So you can I can try. So here's here at the entry. So you remember this is a offline data collection, so that you can as many as even offline. So it's good. This is the big advantage, isn't it? So it's in the pronoun say. I just put here 25. Okay, it's first. Take photo. Let me see the photos. Okay, I just put here. Okay. Okay, save it. Next, the application. Okay, next. Then nothing to write, so next. So I can save entry. So you have now two entry. Okay, like this. Maybe one more. the at entry I can put. Okay, then okay, telephone number. Okay, mail. Okay, 36. Take photo. Okay. Sorry, I made a mistake, so I just put it here. Okay. Okay. Say next. Take location. Okay, next. Next. Okay, so we have at least 3. So just now a big difference from the Google form. This data is still in this smartphone, so you need to upload. Yeah, there are now 3 data entry. So I just upload here, one upload here. First upload text data. So the upload data means upload only text data. Then after that, this is very wise. When it is, since the data photo is very big, so that sometimes just only upload the text data is enough. So after that, upload photos. Okay. Okay. Now it's good. So you go to back or enter the upload this. You go back. So now you notice the now white. This used to be white. Now it's green. Yes, check. It means the data is already sent to the database. Let's see how it works. Okay, now go back to Epicollect 5. Then since you are the owner, you go to my project. So you see the training registration. So you can see, check. So you can see, now you can see the 3 entries data. So view data. Yeah, so all data is data inputs. So my strange face and this reddish one. So yeah, so all data is now input. Okay, all agree. Okay, so and this is the table, but also good news is that it can be used map. So this is showing where exactly this data is located. Yeah. So this is how the data, actually where the data is located. It's very useful. So you can just even choose satellites. So you can do the weather. You can check the weather location. Okay, now go back to the table. So here, the download. Now, then you can see the CSV, JSON. So you choose CSV, and you can download. Okay. Then you can download message here. Yeah, so those are actually data is downloaded. Good. Okay, then even this data is at JPEG. You just here how this photos with data is stored in now in the internet. So now this is a kind those text, basically the CSV is a comma separated value. It's showing is the data is of this tabular form, and so this text data cannot have the photo data, but it can be used like a URL, the internet. So you can put like this. So that's the thing. Okay, let's go next. Okay. Yeah. Okay, now the final last one but not least one is Kobo Toolbox. Okay, Kobo Toolbox. Kobo Toolbox is almost same, so you can just change it. Sign up Kobo Toolbox 5 with Google account. Okay, I just open Kobo. Oh, we say Kobo Toolbox. Yeah. So you can have this Kobo Toolbox. Okay. Then here you can sign up, yeah, and also sign in. Then if you don't have the sign up, account, you just create account. This time I don't go further, but this time you can put your Google account, those of your identity, you can do it. Good news is that you can make as many as possible. I mean, you can create Kobo account as many as possible with just single Google account. Imagine you have a manager, but you also have the account for the create a collector. So you could have with one single Google account, you can create two Kobo accounts. But anyway, this time I just show you my case. For example, I just say there are two. Okay, let me see. Let me go back this time. My case. Okay. This time I just use grip. Okay, and Kobo box. Just show you how my account sign up. Okay, then sign in. So this time I have two account with single account. One is a grip expert 1, another one grip field 1. Grip expert 1 is for the manager. Grip field 1 is for the collector. So I can even share this username and also password with anybody who will collect for me. But this time I just use a Google. Expert manager one. Okay. Login. Okay. So I'm going to create registration. Okay. So first you just start from new. Okay. Then build from scratch. Okay. And here is let me go our design. We like the design registration of the training participant. By the way, you can also be here, copy, and you can do the paste if you are very lazy. Yeah? Paste like this. So this. Okay. So sector is the other. So you can say this is the Ghana. This time, and create projects. Okay, so this is a interface. So simply you just start with the design one by one. So let's go back to what we name, telephone, gender. Okay, so I can say here's first name. Okay, then here add question. There, so again, this is a list of the types of the data. Normally what you need, normally we have this text, yeah, text number, okay, text, say here's a name, so next type, okay, here, at the number, what is, telephone, yes, telephone, here's the telephone, there's no particular type of this telephone, so simply I just say text, okay, text, okay, next type, okay, here also here gender, yes, gender. So add question. So this time just only one radio, so it means you just select one, yeah. So this is it used to be called multiple choice. It used to be called the radio button, but it now select one. It's very easy. This one is better. So this one, male, female, here, prefer not to say, okay. Okay, this one is another one, and not say, and age, yes, age. Plus age, question. Then again, the number. Okay, age. This time, let's see. Okay, this time, like last time, we need to restrict the age. Say that this is when you click this wheel button, yeah, this not gender, age here, then you can say validation criteria. Okay, validation criteria here. So this question response has to be more than greater than now 15, and plus this, see, less than 100. Yeah, so it means 15 to 99 can just restrict. Okay, this is the one. Okay, like this. Now I'm going to age, now photo. Yes, photo. Yes, here photo. You can say photo. Yeah, question. You have the photo. Where's the photo? Where is it? Wait. Yes, here. You can get the photo. Next, is a location, isn't it? Location. Yeah, location. Yes. So you can put the location of interest. Okay. Location of interest. Where's the location? Yeah, it's point. Yeah, good. By the way, you notice that sometimes there's also where the area can be entered, but this time I tried sometime, but this area doesn't work well on the field, so I don't recommend to use this one this time. Anyway, and back to final remarks. Yep. Remarks. Okay, now it's the remarks. It's again the text. Okay. Yes. So yes, this one remarks. Okay. Good. So this is what the all. So it's been saved. Then this can be used either PC or smartphone, both way. Okay. I just show you how to deploy. So this time, what I'm going to do. So share with the form with the data collector, same as the Google form where I just show you. Okay, first after save, you just click on the return to the list. Okay, so this is a participant registration of a participant. So just open. So then you do summary. Now next the summary is the form. So now we haven't deploy, but before deploy, you can just check that the preview. Okay, let's preview how it works. Okay, name, telephone, gender, age, no. Okay, photo, you can take photo from here. Okay, then here connection. Okay, yeah, it works. Then then validate. Yeah, form is validated, so it means okay. So you can after you check, good. Kobo Toolbox has this preview. It helps a lot. Okay, then so you can deploy. Okay, finally it's deployed. You can find how to collect data. So Kobo Box will have the broader way of the data collection. So you can choose, but this one is online, offline. It's a multiple submission. It's okay. So this one is before that you need to allow submission to this form without name and password. Yes, I want to make it more public. Okay, allow this one. Then you can see the copy. Okay, copy. Then for example, you give for my case, I just copy and paste. You just send this one. So I can send. So you see, Yeah, yeah, like this. Mail 54. So it's mail. Yes. Okay. Then here, if this your PC is sensible for the location, put here. Yes, it's coming like this. So it give you the longitude. Yes, then remarks. Thanks. Then submit. Or you can share this one if the QR, for example, this I just made a copy. Then again, like last time we did QR planet. So I just go QR planet. So I just put here copy. So this is your QR code. Now I look at my I look my yeah. So this is my phone. Yeah. So just I just open the camera. Okay, I just use camera. I just put. Yeah, so it's a reading QR code success. So let's click. So this time I just use my phone is a QR. Then this is one of the big difference between Kobo Toolbox and Google Form. Google Form is only work online, but you noticed here. This Kobo box also using browser. This browser can be used offline as many as you want, according to their explanation. So most Pro they will know. Yeah, you can put. Telephone number, female, age. Again, photo, and I just use the photo. Camera. It's a camera. And say okay, just use my faces. Okay, good. Okay, save. Then I go this location of interest. Yeah, here. Okay. Oops. Hopefully it works. Let me see. Okay, sorry. Where is it? Okay, after some time, I find this. Okay, after click on here, it's coming. Okay, then the thanks. Okay, hi. Then submit. Well, there are two ways. You can save draft, so later on you can just change it, but you can submit now. Okay, now you notice there's one. So this is okay. Now becoming 0. Did you notice that it used to be 1, 0? So if it is not connected, so it is stored in this smartphone. Okay, that is good news. Then after it actually connected, it's going to be 0. Let me try again. Like say hi, HHH, telephone number. Yeah. No, it's not. It's not proper. Okay. Then mail. Age 36. Let's try this. Maybe 800. No, it's valid. So it's me. I have to know. I'm 80. Okay, now it's okay. Then photo. Just even the browse from what I get. I like this photo a lot. So I just put on here. Then location. This location with the register. Location. Here. So it takes, okay, now it's coming, okay, so, and then remarks, good, so I just say, submit. So you notice your key, you see this is 1, now going to 0, okay. This way is, since this is connected, I mean the internet, so it's going to 0, but if not connected, still remain. So you can even try the second one. The system is almost same. So when you have, if you want to use again, so you can this one, you can just take a home screen, yeah. So that means you can carry this form anywhere in the world. Okay. By the way, sometimes you may find Kobo box, some user using this one, Kobo Collect. This one is good, but it's only available for the Android. It's not, there's no iOS version, iPhone version, so this time I skip. But if you are interested, you can also download this one. It's probably more stable than a browser-based collection. Okay. Anyway, let's see how our data is collected. So now it's going to data. So back to the Kobo box. I'm going to next form, data. So you may have there are 3 datas, yeah, coming like this. Okay, and also reports. Go to report, and also gallery. So you see there are some 3 photos coming here. Good. Then you can download. Also, you can just show them up. Okay, there's 3 data is actually collected in the same places. So now can export data. Export. Okay. So you can download. Okay. Okay, that's good. That's good. You can just open that. Okay, so this is how it works. Yeah, so it is now, there's so many. Then also a photo can be, taken like this. Good, I like this photo a lot. Okay, so this is how it works. Thank you. Finally, you can download data, open Excel. So sometimes you can check the medium, max, mean. So then if you have this imagine you have a lot of the data like this, yeah. So you can see this is the age. Maybe it's not too many, but so let me try to merge some of data. For example, I have data of this. Okay. Okay, so I have the data. This is from the I believe this one from what Epicollect 5. So this is the age. So this guy, age. Okay. Okay. Now we have just in case you have the age here. Let's see the age. Okay, this is the age. So you have to just check what is average, mean, median, max, mean. That is a minimum. So it's very important. Say average, then same, median, max. And mean. So this time, actually, this is broad. Give you some just broad picture. So I just reduce the number of. I just give you some broad figure how the data is actually located. Just imagine here. Okay, just go down. Okay, now I just increase a bit of the. Okay, just change it. Okay, so this is very good, but sometimes just imagine someone who has just data type, or like say 1,000. Imagine now average is a big, it's a 184, yeah. But its median is 51. So you can see the difference. If I put this one, average and median, they're almost same because very stable data, variance. But if you give the big variance like 1,000, so it's like this, right? So it's made 0, so it's going like this. So this time you should check like what max numbers. Then you have to find some irregular number, so that you can get, oh, this one is good, and well, this one is something wrong, so those of the stuff. Yeah, you can have those of the the data cleaning over this. So you have to know what this one, this is a medi. So this is good news. This is a very rich man, and this is a middleman, and a very poor person. So in that case, is that the median, what is the mean means, and what the median means, and what mode. The mean, or this average, is just the kind of the aggregated center. When this median is something in order, if you put someone from order to very rich to very poor, who is a middleman? The mode is the most eminent, most popular number of the representative the data. So when you see the farmers, you have to know this guy or this person is where it's coming from. Are they coming from the average or median or mode? So you have to check that the kind of size of data. This is a data management. I don't go for the many, but you can have this pivot table. You can get some databases. For example, okay, let's see how it's okay. Put here. You put it. Sorry, this is in Japanese, so it's not very useful. But this one is say the gender, and say that this one is name, age. So okay, this one is not very good. Sorry, it's not at all. Wait. Let me see. Try. What? Okay. Since it's not a very big table, anyway, let's see. Okay, let's say. Okay. Yeah, so you can see that now how much those of the you can just change it. This just if the average. So you can see that the average female, so it's very small. You can just easily to make that with pivot table. You can very beautifully make that comparison of what female average age and what male average is very easily. Okay, anyway, I don't go further. There are so many tutorial on the ground. I mean, on the YouTube. So I really recommend you watch. Okay, so okay, this is all. Oh, and last of the last. So this time, in case you have this is the data. And so, okay, so this is Mr. Dan Hiroshi Miyoshi. Then you want to just change it. So this is just list of the name. So you can just use this name. For example, like go back to the data. For example, let's say Google form. Last one. So this is the registration form. It used to be the name is actually in the short, but now you have if you have the data. Dan Hiroshi, this is the 3. So you can just make a copy here. You can just change it here. One more data. Please choose the name of participant. So this time I just drop down box here. Then here what I did, copy, yeah, and here paste. So Dan, Hiroshi, Miyoshi, or maybe other. Then you can put here. Then you can just now change it. If other, please write the name. So this is much easier after you have a list of the form. So now I just try to how it look like. So send it, shorten the URL, and now made a copy. I just made a copy here, I paste. So you can see, so now please choose the name of participant. Now it's easy to make it here. So after you have the list of the names, so next time you don't need to write again. You can just here this change this change list very easily. So you can do the same in the Epicollect and Kobo, but it's actually Google form is the easiest way to make it just changes. Okay, so this is how data is actually feedback to that now make our data collection much easier. So thank you very much. So this is all for this time. So hopefully please enjoy and let's say monitoring works. Thank you.